before no dey sell because people no dey follow the road the way the road bad, but thank God now they dey follow the road and they sell market now. Governor Sheriff Ogbonowori, I will tell her thank you.
On a longer day, then no fit touch my energy.
Right Honorable Sheriff Ogbonowori has not estimated very well. There are a lot of construction going on.
Right Honorable Elder Sheriff Francis Ogbonowori. We like him, he's our father, he's always ready to work.
Is it road? Is it infrastructure? Human capital? He has touched everywhere. So he has done very well.